is that people leave their homes for like 3 months in advance to go and camp somewhere and then wait for the flood to come and pass and return. Now to me that's like a waste of time. Why should I go and camp for 3 months? Because I'm not sure when exactly will this flood happen. This is the reason why we have high number of casualties when flood happens in Nigeria.
Hello, Click Nigeria is here at the heart of the Nigeria's capital, Abuja, where the Global Monitoring for Environment and Security GMES Hackathon Challenge of Flood and Wetlands Management using Earth observation data is underway. From data-driven solutions to creative prototypes, the Hackathon Challenge sets the stage for brilliant minds to shine. Please come with me.
With deadly floods hitting parts of Africa in recent months, worsened by shrinking wetlands, the Global Monitoring for Environment and Security GMES Africa Hackathon on Flood and Wetland Management using Earth observation data holds in Abuja. The event brings together homegrown innovators challenged to design practical solutions using satellite data to predict floods, map wetlands, and support local disaster response.
What the hackathon is all about is to encourage experts, especially young experts, to use their newfound knowledge to find solutions.
The hackathon is part of GMES Africa, a joint initiative of the African Union Commission and the European Union Commission, implemented by the Space for Humanity Foundation under the GMES project. Contestants are drawn from across West Africa, some physically present in Abuja, others joining virtually from Ghana, Senegal, and Côte d'Ivoire, all working to address climate challenges through Earth observation technology.
Our solution is ground up from the context of the Nigerian local challenges by building what we call the hyper-local intelligence system, meaning we give residents heads up like 2 hours to 24 hours lead time to tell them exactly when it will flood in their street at street level, not just national, not state.
The platform I'm about to create, in progress of creating, is well able to provide solutions by firstly collect the flood data with up to data analysis and display of the flood events, and it's up to flood prediction and giving anyone insights.
A panel of judges evaluates each innovation for clarity, creativity, technical strength, and potential for scale.
I can see the participation, like people are willing to actually take this state of condition to the next level, and that is why I'm happy.
We realized that they just did a great job. They presented a very nice platforms that are almost ready.
Contestants also respond to questions from judges and the audience, gaining feedback to refine their ideas.
This beautiful presentation, if you want to own it, right? If you want to own it and you want us to take it to the African Union level, right? Because this is a GDPR project, we can't just keep it like that. And could we have some kind of partnership with the GDPR? Maybe we could implement it for phase 3. So this is really, really important.
You are saying that the people will get alert. How? Maybe you go to the website and you don't get alert. But if you're sleeping and you get alert, you need to tell us.
You are doing this for the people. How do you reach out to these people if there is a warning? Is it through SMS you intend to do it? Is it through radio? Is it through TV? I just want to know your warning dissemination channel. Thank you.
So I would like to start from your presentation. I think we should just use one acronym instead of everybody raise vulnerability, restrictions. Everybody knows what to manage for. Okay, that's another one. So now, I'm a metrologist, and when you're talking about prediction, this is much of prediction in your scope.
You correct and agree with me offering an unreliable network. In this situation, what do you think we can do to salvage the problem?
At the close of the hackathon, top contestants receive prize money, a vital boost to help them build and implement their innovations.
The number one position has been taken out of Nigeria. It has been taken to somewhere in Africa by Edgar Kwasi. Somebody was doing. That's why the fact that the president of Nigeria is one of the
Michael Malo is actually the second. And the price of 700,000 naira. Well, in this case, we have to check hands. We are not only going to collect the check.
So for the third place, we are calling Yakubu Eno.
Wow.
For a cash sum of 500,000 naira. Congratulations.
And for many young attendees in the audience, the event sparked a deeper interest in technology and climate action.
It showed us ways in which you can manage flooding through applications, AI, websites, using their sources from earth to the background.
Well, I think we're all going to be contributing to the earth. So whatever we're doing with the earth, we should just be mindful and try not to harm it.
I have learned a lot. I've also met people who are really good experts in this program. It's actually
Some participants share their experiences.
I'm so happy that everybody that has been involved in organizing this, starting from Israel to us implementing it in Nigeria. I can tell you that compared with other countries, this has been a record.
When it comes to the potential of these events, we saw different dimensions of which we can obtain data and how the data could be manipulated. It's important is one thing is that there will be a paradigm shift. When I get to class today, I'll have to update my lecture notes, try to move to the next paradigm, giving the students new tasks and changing my modus of teaching, because I've observed several indices or several aspects I need to bring into my teaching of the data application.
And most times, I found out that where wetlands are depleting, that's where we're having lots of flooding coming up. So I like the fact that those two areas were brought together and discussed holistically. It's been very interesting. And
my first hackathon, and I definitely have a model to use after now for the newly established NISA hydro talk in secondary schools. So I will definitely be replicating this model in the schools, especially when it's time to reward deserving students.
By turning data into action, the hackathon places GMES and Africa at the heart of West Africa's climate resilience efforts and feels hope that the next breakthrough in environmental solutions will emerge from the continent itself.